Hi guys, my name is Mata Wani. I'm from Nigeria and this is my channel. I've been wanting to make this video for a while now, but I didn't want to rush it because this is not just another I'm back video. I've had this channel for a while now, for some years now, but over the years I've not been consistent. I've been trying to figure things out. There were times I was so excited and motivated, times I was trying new things, and times I disappeared entirely. I was trying to understand myself, what I wanted, what kind of creator I wanted to be, and what kind of life I wanted to show. I know I'm not the only one trying to figure things out. There are many of us trying to build, trying to grow, trying to be consistent, trying to believe in ourselves, even when it feels like no one else does. You know, when you're still figuring yourself out, it's really hard to build something stable. But you see now, it feels different. Not because I've become perfect, but because I figured things out. I'm now clear about what I want this channel to represent. Realize something very important, that you don't grow first and then show up, but you grow by showing up. So this is officially my content era, and I can't do it without you. I want this channel to feel real, not perfect. Real lifestyle, real growth, and real personality. Over the years, I've learned something. You don't build something meaningful by showing up once in a while, but you build it by showing up consistently, even when it's not perfect, even when it's small. So this time, I'm restarting. I'm rebuilding properly. I'm taking YouTube seriously, not as something I do when I feel like it, but something I'm committed to. I want you to come with me because this channel is not just mine, it's ours. I will be posting 3, 4, maybe 5 times in a week. I'll be uploading relatable shorts, lifestyle videos. I will be going live too. I want you to comment, engage, and grow with me. So expect intentional content that reflects growth, that feels honest. If you have been here for a while now, thank you so much for staying. Even when I disappeared, when I wasn't consistent, you stayed. I don't take them for granted. And if you are new here, you're not late at all. You're actually early, because this right here is the beginning of something better. This is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about becoming. So if you're also in a season where you're trying to grow, where you're trying to become more disciplined, where you're trying to build something meaningful, where you're trying to understand yourself better, then stay. Let's build together. Let's grow together. Let's show up even when it's not perfect, because this time we are doing it properly. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to comment. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.